In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove text from an image here in Canva. Now I have this image just here, which I quickly created. This is all just one image. In fact, if we go to this folder, we can see I have this image just here. Now, if I want to remove this unwanted text, there's two ways that we can actually do this. Now, we do need a Canva Pro account to do this, so if you want to try a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, there will be a link down in the description below. Now, when you want to remove text or any unwanted text from an image, we simply want to click on the image first, come up to where it says Edit Photo, and then we can use the magic eraser. So this is going to be the first way to remove unwanted text. Now with the magic eraser, we can increase the brush size. So let's turn this to round about 50. And then all we want to do is highlight the text that we want to remove. So let's go ahead and highlight all of this text just here, like so. And then once you click off, it's going to do its thing and it's going to remove all of that text. Now doing it this way can sometimes be a bit glitchy and you're not going to get great results. It all depends on the backdrop of what the text is on. So for this image, it's actually quite a simple image, so it's really easy to do. Now once it's done that, we simply click on Edit Photo, and now we can see that that text has been removed. So that's the first way. Now the second way, we're going to click on the image again. We're going to come up to Edit Photo, but we're going to use this Grab Text. Now if we click on here, it's going to separate the text from the image, and then we can just delete that. Now let's give that a second, and there we go. The text has now been separated from the actual image. Now when doing it this way, you can even go in, change the text to whatever you want. You can also change the font as well. But in this example, we want to remove. So now that this has been separated, we can simply click onto the text and then delete that away. So that's how to remove text from an image here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.